Honorable Chief Minister Sir Charanjit Singh Channi ji, Finance Minister Sardar Manpreet Singh Badal ji, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on the behalf of the Government of Punjab to the Progressive Punjab Investors Summit 2021 on the theme Progressive Punjab, a story of partnership, delivery and growth, investors reassured. I welcome His Excellency Ambassador Satoshi Suzuki of Japan, senior representatives of Government of India, and above all, the very distinguished business delegates from India and abroad who have spared their valuable time to join us on this special occasion. I also welcome today's very eminent speakers from India and abroad, representing a variety of Punjab's industrial strengths, agri and food processing, textile, education, pharmaceuticals, petrochemicals and chemicals, who have come to share their knowledge and experience with us to help us deliberate upon our roadmap for industrial growth in Punjab that is grounded in the concrete realities of national and international value chains and trends of industrialization. Sir, I thank you all for joining us for the virtual plenary session, and we look forward to hearing your views today. A special welcome to our Honorable Chief Minister, who has taken a personal interest to interact with industry in the run-up to the summit. You are all aware that Punjab is one of the most important pillars of the country across our national strategic goals, ranging from security to food to security of our borders. Since the beginning, Punjab has made a remarkable contribution to the national and international community by championing the qualities of entrepreneurship, innovation, and progress through its people. Entrepreneurs from Punjab are an important part of the economies of various countries such as UK, Canada, USA, Australia, etc. Now Punjab is fast emerging as a powerhouse for industries. The state is a leader across sectors such as food processing, textile, sports goods, auto, and pharmaceuticals. Its moniker of being the granary of India, woolen knitwear hub of India, or the bicycle hub of India are countless and well known. Being home to marquee brands such as Nestle, Coca-Cola, SML, Isuzu, Mahindra, Swaraj, etc. for numerous years have provided us with a good base on which we have built further. You are all aware that in recent times, the state has received new investments of more than 99,000 crore across various sectors. Further, Punjab-based firms have also continued their tradition of excellence. Market leaders such as Vardhman, Sonalika, Hero Cycles, Nahar Group, IOL Chemicals, Trident Group, amongst others, have grown by leaps and bounds through forging new market linkages across the world and inking new technology and investment partnerships. As a state's industry and commerce minister, I am fully conscious of the expectations of the business and industry and the responsibility placed on my shoulders. We are fully aware that industrialization holds the key for fostering social inclusive growth, economic growth, creating employment, and ushering in prosperity for the state. This summit is an opportunity for us to continue our traditions of regular and constant interaction with our investors. Through this summit, we wish to apprise you all of the work we have undertaken to make Punjab an investment destination and also understand your thoughts on how the state can harness the unlimited opportunities present across sectors. Our purpose is to welcome you all to Punjab and to link you with industries within the state for mutual growth. With your active participation, continued support, and contribution, I am certain that the strong entrepreneurial spirit of Punjab can be harnessed for economic success of the state and its people. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ਅਲੀਸ਼ਾ ਬੇਗਮ, ਇੱਕ ਔਰਤ ਦਾ ਦੁੱਖ ਇੱਕ ਔਰਤ ਹੀ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਰੂਹਾਨੀ ਅਤੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਸ਼ਕਤੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਲਕਨ, ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਚਮਤਕਾਰੀ ਇਲਮ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ। ਕਾਲਾ ਇਲਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਤੇ ਤੋੜਨਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਵੱਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ। ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਲਵ ਮੈਰਿਜ, ਪਤੀ ਪਤਨੀ 'ਚ ਝਗੜਾ, ਸੌਤਨ ਦੁਸ਼ਮਣ ਤੋਂ ਛੁਟਕਾਰਾ, ਤਲਾਕ ਕੇਸ, ਬੁਰੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ, ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਯਾਤਰਾ, ਬੁਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਾਂ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਛੁਡਾਉਣਾ, ਬਿਮਾਰੀ 'ਚ ਦਵਾ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ। ਵਸ਼ੀਕਰਨ ਇੱਕ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਹੈ। ਵਸ਼ੀਕਰਨ ਕਰਵਾਓ, ਮਨ ਚਾਹਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਪਾਓ। ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ 'ਚ ਲੋਟਰੀ ਦਾ ਯੋਗ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ? ਸੱਚਾਈ ਜਾਣੋ। ਲੋਟਰੀ ਨੰਬਰ ਪਾਓ, ਭਾਵੇਂ 649 ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਲੋਟੋ ਮੈਕਸ। 11 ਘੰਟੇ 'ਚ ਕਰਵਾਓ ਹਰ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਘਰ ਬੈਠੇ। ਅਸ਼ਟਾਮ ਪੇਪਰ ਤੇ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਲਵੋ ਕੰਮ ਦੀ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ। ਜਾਂ ਕਹਿਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ तुरंत संपर्क करो। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹਰ ਗੱਲ ਗੁਪਤ ਰੱਖੀ ਜਾਵੇਗੀ। ਅਲੀਸ਼ਾ ਬੇਗਮ। वर्ल्ड फेमस बाबा सलीम खान 21 बार गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट। सारियां थावां तो निराश ਅਤੇ मायूस होने वाले एक बार फोन जरूर करो। जिवें चाहोगे उवें होएगा। इट्स माई प्रॉमिस, इमीडिएटली रिजल्ट, ओपन चैलेंज। इल्मां दे माहिर A to Z समस्यावां दा फोन ते घर बैठे करवाओ हल। वशीकरण ਅਤੇ ਮੁੱਠ ਕਰਨੀ, लव मैरिज, सौतन ਅਤੇ दुश्मन तो छुटकारा, पक्का काम पक्का हल, 101% ਦੀ गारंटी, अष्टाम पेपर समेत। सब तो पहला काम करन दा वादा, नौकरी, प्रमोशन, कारोबार च परेशानी, घर च झगड़ा, कोर्ट केस, तलाक, प्रॉपर्टी झगड़ा, पति पत्नी च अनबन, जादू टोना, मनमोहनी वशीकरण करवाओ ਜਾਂ तुड़वाओ, रुस्से ਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਣਾ। ਹੁਣੇ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੋ ਬਾਬਾ ਸਲੀਮ ਖਾਨ 98 199 37 467।